Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. Today I'm back with this new tutorial video where I will show you the process of how you can create a WhatsApp chatbot to automate insurance quotes on WhatsApp. And in this video, first of all, I will show you the step-by-step creation of a WhatsApp chatbot inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. And after I have completed the creation, whenever any user will send this WhatsApp chatbot a text message, this WhatsApp chatbot will reply to them automatically on my behalf. So now I will take you to my screen and there we will see a real-time example of how this WhatsApp chatbot will work. Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. Now as we are on my screen, so first of all I will show you the real-time example of this amazing chatbot. For that I will just open my WhatsApp account and in here I will send this keyword insurance. Then you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered instantly and it will send me a welcome message. So here I have also received this welcome message. Hi, I am Asha, your secure assistant. I can help you get an instant insurance quote in a few steps. Which insurance are you looking for today? So as I want a health insurance for myself, so I will click on this particular health and then we will see that this WhatsApp chatbot will send me another message and here it has sent me this great, you choose health, nice choice. Before I prepare a quick estimate, may I know your full name? So here this bot is asking me for my full name. So in here I will enter my name and I will send it inside this chat. Next, you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot will send me another message where it is asking me for my date of birth. So I will also enter my date of birth inside this chat and then you will see that this bot will send me another message and here you can see this bot is sent me where it is asking me this email ID. So I will also enter my email in here. Next, this bot has sent me this message where it is asking me to upload a document with all the details about my health. Like if I want to get a health insurance, then I want to enter a document with the details that if I want an individual or a family plan, the number of members for which I want this health insurance, and if I have any pre-existing condition, the sum insured, add-ons, and this document uploaded. So now I will upload a document in here. After that, you will see that this bot will send me another message and now this bot has sent me another message where it is asking me to upload any of the following documents. Here I have to upload my ID proof or vehicle RC with motor and medical reports for health. So now I will upload one more document here. So here I have sent this another document and these documents that I have sent here are dummy document. So here you can see I have successfully sent all of these documents. Now this bot has sent me another message. Thanks for your cooperation, Rajwar Singh. We have recorded all your details for your health insurance. We will soon reach out to you on your email ID with a full insurance plan made just for you. So you just saw how easy it was for me to get an estimate of this insurance plan for myself with the help of this WhatsApp chatbot. And not only this, all the details that I have shared with this bot will get added as a new row in my Google Sheets with the help of this API request that I have added inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So now I will show you my Google Sheet. In here you can see all the details that I have shared with this WhatsApp chatbot have got added as a new row inside this Google Sheet successfully. So this was the demo of this amazing WhatsApp chatbot. Now I will show you how you can also create such an amazing WhatsApp chatbot for yourself to automate your business. So to start creating this WhatsApp chatbot, first of all I will help you navigate to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. For that you just have to open a new tab and enter this pabbly.com/chatflow, and by pressing this enter key you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and in here you will see that these two different buttons, sign in and sign up free, are visible to us. So if you are a new user to Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to click on this sign up free button and from here you can create your free account, and by creating your free account you can avail 100 free credits every month that Pabbly Chatflow gives to every new user. And if you are an existing user like me, then you have to click on this sign in button. This will get you directed on this all apps page of Pabbly where Pabbly has this 7 amazing and powerful applications, but today at first I will use this Pabbly Chatflow. That's why I will click on this access now button. This will get me directed finally on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now when you are inside the dashboard, the first thing that you have to do is you have to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this add WhatsApp number given on the right side here, and you can select any of these two different methods, WhatsApp Connect methods or manual token connect method, to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And on the left side here you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that you just have to check out the link of those videos that I have added provided in the description box of this video. And after adding your WhatsApp number, to start creating a WhatsApp chatbot for yourself, you have to click on this flows and select this flows. After that, inside this flow builder page, you can see here this is the exact same WhatsApp chatbot that I have shown you in the beginning of this video. Now I will deactivate this particular WhatsApp chatbot, as I am going to create this exact same chatbot with you guys. And then to start creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, I have to click on this add flow button. Now on this new page, this trigger button is visible to me. So this trigger button is like the event on which I want my chatbot to get triggered. So we will work on this trigger button. But before that, I would like to give a meaningful name to my WhatsApp chatbot. So I will name my WhatsApp chatbot as this automate insurance quotes on WhatsApp. And now we will work on our trigger step. So for this trigger event, I will click on this drop down, and this is the list of all the trigger events with the help of which I can kickstart my WhatsApp chatbot. But today I will select this particular keyword or regex match as my trigger event, because I want my WhatsApp chatbot to get triggered with the help of some keywords that I will enter inside this box. So to enter a keyword inside this box, you have to just type down that particular keyword and then press this enter button. Now if you want to add one more word, then you just have to type down that word, and when you will press this enter button, your keyword will get added successfully. Now this third box, enter regex, is also available for us. So this regex stands for regular expression, which is a universal code with the help of which we can extract some keywords from a paragraph. But as I can kickstart this WhatsApp chatbot either with the help of this keyword or regex match, so as I have already entered the keywords, so that's why I will skip this regex for now. Now we will move towards my action step, and for my first action step, as I want to send a welcome message to my customers, so for that I will drag in this text button and I will drop it in here. Now first of all, I will connect both of these following circles, and then in here I will enter the welcome message for my customer. So here I have entered the welcome message for my customer. Now just below this message, I will add these three different buttons where I will add three different type of insurance for my customer to select from. So first of all, I will enter this motor, and in the second button I will enter this health insurance. In the last button I will enter this home insurance. So I want that whenever my customer selects any of these insurance type for themselves, I want to store the selection made by them. So that can be made possible with the help of this set custom field. So I will drag it in here and I will drop it here like this. Now after connecting both of these following circles, for this contact custom field drop down, I will click on this, and you can see these are all the contact custom fields that I have created for myself. So from here, as this was the exact same contact custom field insurance type which I had created to store the insurance type selected by my customer, that's why I have selected it. Now inside this enter value box, I will just copy this text from here and I will paste it inside this. Now I have successfully created this particular contact custom field for this button motor. Now whenever my customer will select this particular insurance type, then this WhatsApp chatbot will remember the selection made by them, and later by just applying a $sign in front of this contact custom field, I can also map the selections made by my customer. So just like this, I will quickly add these contact custom fields to each of my health and home insurance. So here I have added these contact custom fields to each of my buttons. Now I will show you how you can also create a contact custom field for yourself. But before leaving this window, I will advise you to click on this save button, otherwise the flow that you have created here will get lost. So now as our flow is updated successfully, so I will go on this settings, and from here I will click on this contact custom field, and in here you can see these are all the contact custom fields that I have created for myself. So to add one more field, I just have to click on this button, and here I have to give a name to my field, and then when I will press on this save button, you will see that our contact custom field is saved successfully. Now I can access this particular field inside my flow. So this is the flow in which I am working, and in here when I will click on this contact custom field drop down, you can see this new contact custom field test has been created successfully. Now I can select it if I want to. Now I will start working on my action step, and for that, as I want to ask a question from my customer, so from this action features here, I will drag in this ask question button, and now first of all I will connect all of these contact custom field with this question button, and then I will enter the question which I want to send to my customer. So inside this box, I will enter this particular question where I am asking my customer for their full name, and here you can see I have also added this $sign insurance type with the help of which I will map the insurance type selected by my customer. Now for this contact custom field, I will select this particular full name because I have created this contact custom field to store the full name selected by my customer, and inside this format I will select it as text because I want my customer to reply to me in this particular format. Now this enter number box, here we can enter the number of retry attempt which I want to give to my customer, but I will skip this for now, and I will move towards my next question where I will ask my customer for their date of birth. Now first of all, I will drag in this ask question button. I will connect both of these following circles, and then I will enter the question inside this box. Now I will again drag in this ask question button, and in here, as I want to ask the email of my customer, so I will also paste this particular text. Now after connecting both of these following circles, for these contact custom fields, in here I will select this date of birth contact custom field, and for this I will select this email contact custom field. Now for this format I will select it as any, and then inside this format of this email I will select the format as email. Now for my next action step, I want to ask the details of my customer about the type of insurance that they have selected. So for that, from this action features here, I will drag in this ask media button and I will drop it in here. Now inside this enter message box, I will enter the particular question which I want to send to my customer. So here I have entered this particular question for my customer. Now first of all, I will connect both of these following circles, and then inside this contact custom field I will select details, and then for this select media type I will select it as document. Now I will skip this number of attempt box. Now for my next action step also, I want to ask my customer a media in which I want to get identity proof of my customer. So for that also I will drag in this ask media button. I will connect both of these following circles, and then inside this box I will enter this message for my customer where I have asked them for their documents. Now for this contact custom field I will select this proof, and then inside this media type I will select it as document. So here I have successfully framed these 5 continuous questions for my customer. Now just after this media question, I want to insert an API request with the help of which I will send all the responses given by my customer to my Pabbly Connect account. So for that I will drag in this API request and I will drop it in here. Now first of all I will connect both of these following circles, and we will work on this API request later, but right now I will set up this particular final message for my customer. So you can see I have dragged in this text button. I will connect both of these following circles, and in here I will enter the concluding message for my customer. So here I have also entered this concluding message for my customer. Now we will work on this API request button. So we have to click on this webhook URL box, and for this select request I will click on this drop down and I will select this post because I want to post data from here to my Pabbly Connect account, and in here we have to enter this webhook URL. So to get this webhook URL, I will go back to this all apps page of Pabbly, and in here I will click on this Pabbly Connects box. After that I will get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and in here to start creating a workflow I have to click on this create workflow button, and among these two different workflow builders I will select this particular beta version for myself, and in here I will give a meaningful name to my workflow as this automate insurance quotes on WhatsApp. Then from the second box here I will select the particular folder in which I want to save this workflow. Then I will press this create button. After that you will see that this trigger button will get visible to me. So as this trigger button is now visible to me, so here I have to select my first application. So for that I will take help of this amazing feature by Pabbly Connect, webhook by Pabbly, and then for this application event I will select this catch webhook, and then I will press this connect button. Here you can see I have successfully received this webhook URL. So I will just copy it from here and I will paste it inside this box like this, and here we have to enter the parameters, like we have to enter the contact custom fields which I want to send to Pabbly Connect. So here for first of all I will select this full name as my contact custom field, and here for this key I will enter this name. Now I will add 5 more fields as I want to send the 6 different contact custom fields inside my Pabbly Connect account. Now I will quickly fill up the contact custom field that I want to send. So here I have entered all the parameters which I want to send to Pabbly Connect. Now I will click on this test button and then on this save button. After that I will cut this from here and I will go back to my Pabbly Connect account. Here I have successfully received this response. This means that my trigger step is working all fine. Now I will just cut this from here and I will work on my action step. So to add an action application, I just have to click on this plus button, and from here as I want to add a new row in my Google Sheet, so that's why I will select this Google Sheet as my action application, and then for this application event I will select this add new row and then I will press this connect button. Here I have got these two different options, add new connection and select existing connection. So if you have already connected your Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect, then you can go with this select existing connection. But if you want to create a connection for the first time, then you have to click on this add new connection button. After that you have to press this sign in with Google button, and on the left side here you can see Pabbly Connect has detected my account. So I will click on this account, and after that inside this new page I will scroll down and click on this continue button. Then you will see that my connection is created successfully, and in here I have to select that particular spreadsheet in which I want to add all of these details as a new row. So here you can see inside my Google Sheet, the name of my sheet is my new sheet, and the sheet in which I want to add this new row is this sheet 1. So I will go back to my Pabbly Connect account, and in here for this select a spreadsheet, I will select this my new sheet, and then inside this select sheet I will click on this drop down and select this sheet 1. Then you can see all the columns that I have created in my Google Sheets have got successfully detected by Pabbly Connect. So you can see these are the exact same columns that I have created in my Google Sheet. So now I will fill these columns one by one. So to fill these fields, I will take help of mapping. Now to map data, you just have to click on this box here, and then you can see your previous step will get visible to you. So you just have to click on this drop down of your previous step, and here as we have to map the name of my customer, so I will select on the name, and you can see the name of my customer got mapped successfully. And then we have to enter the insurance type here. So I will click on this insurance type custom field, and this particular custom field also got mapped successfully. So just like this, I will quickly map all of these following remaining details. So here I have entered all of these following fields. Now I just have to click on this save and send test request button. Then all of these following details will get added as a new row in my Google Sheet. But before that, let me tell you that why I have filled all of these following details by mapping. So by mapping, I have made these fields dynamic. This means that whenever Pabbly Connect will detect any new data, these following fields will get changed automatically. So that's why to make these fields dynamic, we have took help of mapping. Now I will just click on this save and send test request button, and then I will open my sheet to show you that here this particular details got added as a new row in here. This means that the workflow that I have created is working all fine. Now I will go back to my Pabbly Chatflow account, and here I will click on this save button as I have successfully created this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for myself. And it is mandatory to click on this save button, otherwise this flow will not work as we expect it to. So here the creation of our WhatsApp chatbot is complete. Now we just have to test if this WhatsApp chatbot is working properly or not. For that, I will again open my WhatsApp account, and I will send this keyword insurance in here. Then you will see that instantly my WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered. And here I have successfully received this welcome message. This means that my WhatsApp chatbot is working all fine. And with this, I have successfully demonstrated how you can create such an amazing WhatsApp chatbot for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to clone this flow, then for you, I will add a link of this flow in the description box of this video so that you can automate your business right on. So that is it for this video. If you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel. And for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp chatbots to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. And for your queries, you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check up this following website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.